Now that we've got both Google and Alexa built, let's head over to AWS and stop hosting the code locally. Because right now we're running the server on our computer, so if we go to sleep and shut down our computer, then nobody can use our Alexa skill. We want to make it so that our Alexa skill is running 24/7 for free. So let's head over to AWS, and we're going to use their serverless service called Aws Lambda. Open up your AWS Management Console, and make sure that you're signed into the North Virginia region, and go to Aws Lambda. Create a new function called Smart Lock. Choose an existing role and make it Lambda Basic Execution role. And then create the function. We're going to upload the function from a zip, which you'll go to by selecting all of the files inside of your GitHub username folder, and just label that Aws Lambda. Then you'll select Upload and find that folder and upload it to Aws Lambda by clicking Save. Next, we'll add a test case by configuring a test event. Search for Alexa and then find the Alexa start session. Name it Launch Intent and save. Now test, and you can actually see that Aws Lambda returns our response, welcoming us to the Smart Lock app. Now let's go ahead and add on Aws Lambda to AWS Developer Kit. Go down to Endpoint, and then toggle the radio button back to Aws Lambda. Copy the skill ID, paste it in Aws Lambda, and save that. Then copy your Aws Lambda ARN, which stands for Amazon Resource Number, and paste that back in the Amazon Developer Portal, and click Save. Then we will launch our Alexa skill, and we'll see that now it's not running locally, it's running from Aws Lambda, and everything works. We'll do the same thing with our Dialogflow agent by going back to AWS and finding the API gateway. Once inside of the API gateway, we will create a new API. We'll name it Smart Lock and deploy the API. Go into Actions and create a method called Post from the drop-down list, and then click that checkbox. Now we want to just paste the name of our Lambda function. I'll copy that by going back over, copy the name, paste that, and now save. It'll ask for permission, just click OK, and then deploy the API. Deploy it to a testing stage, and then click the deploy button. The URL it gives you is what we're going to copy and paste back into Dialogflow. Replace your Jovo webhook URL with the new API gateway and click Save. Let's make sure that everything works now that we're using Aws Lambda with Aws API gateway rather than running it locally. Now, both our Google Action and Amazon Alexa skill are running 24/7 in the cloud for free on Aws Lambda, and for Google Action running through Aws API gateway.